Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to create a new process template from scratch. But before I do that, I do want to remind you that in the marketplace, which you can get to by clicking here, you will find hundreds and hundreds of pre-made templates. So if you don't want to create a template directly from scratch, look through the marketplace first, see if you can find a template that is along the same topics that you are along the same topic rather that you're looking for, and then simply edit that template to your heart's content. Now, for those of you who do want to create one from scratch, let me show you how that works. And this also applies if you're editing templates. What I'm going to show you will be directly applicable. So I'm going to choose a new template. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Demo Template. Really creative name. I'm not going to bother storing it in any particular folder. I'm just going to store it in the home folder. And you'll see here now that we have steps on the left, and then we have our sections here on the right. Let me explain how all of that works. So let's assume for the purposes of our super simple demo that we are going to, this is for a trip to the grocery store. So step one, so let's actually add a heading in first. So we'll take that, we'll put that down there. And this heading is going to be travel. And then we're going to say, so step one is going to be start car. And then we're going to say drive, overly simple example, obviously. And then we're going to add another heading called at store. And we're going to say that, well, we have to shop, and then we have to check out. Obviously, super simple example, but it makes this easy to understand. So in the start car phase, we're going to give some instructions on get the keys and start the car. Obviously, you could make the text instructions as rich as you would like. You can add additional information. You could put a video in there, showing someone how to start a car. So I'll see if I can quickly find a video and we'll embed it. All right, I found my video on YouTube. Here is the URL. So you can just paste it in there and click the add button. So there is your video, and you can even watch it right from within Flowster. So there's the start the car step. And now the drive step, maybe you would have some more text instructions. So, drive down the street and don't run over the dog. You get the idea. And again, you can add, like a checklist here that says, and we'll put this one up. So the checklist is going to be, I succeeded at, didn't run over dog, and didn't crash car. And then number 3, we say we don't want it. Okay, so that's step 2. So now we're going to shop. So now in the shop, we need to give someone a place to put their shopping list. So we're going to request text, and this is going to be the shopping list. And when we run the workflow off of this template, the user will input the items on their shopping list. So we'll say that that is going to be mandatory, and then checkout. I don't even know what we need, but we'll just say we're going to do a URL for the checkout in the grocery store, which makes no sense at all, but you get the idea. So checkout URL. Okay, so now we're happy with our process template. All that is left to do now is to go ahead and assign the work to somebody by clicking this button in the top right of the screen called Run a Workflow. So we're going to call it Grocery Trip, and we're going to say that this is due on the 12th. We're going to assign it to yours truly. And so now I would have received an email notification telling me that this grocery trip has been assigned to me. So I would come here and I would watch the video to learn how to start my car. And then I would drive. And when I got there, I could say, hey, I didn't run over the dog and I didn't crash the car. Awesome. I've completed step 2. So now shopping, I am going to get on my trip to the grocery store some pizza, and some ice cream and some cookies because I'm a health food guy and I like eating pizza, ice cream, and cookies. Great. So I've now done my shopping and I've checked out, maybe I'm going to check it out on google.com or, whatever. So I can say, great, I have now checked out. And you will see that Flowster has said, hey, you're complete. The workflow is now archived. Thanks very much for watching.